What's up, dog? Little trick, right? For about removing this little ball, light bulb. If you have a high place, you need you know the pole, right? The long pole, and it has a adapter like this, and you can push in and twist it, right? The problem is, okay, look like I don't know. I was looking for. I bought this one, okay, and I try to remove this one. The problem is they have several adapters. I mean the head, okay, 2 or 3, okay. This one is the smallest one. Even the smallest one is too big for this, okay. It's too big, all right. I tried and tried. I said, well, I gave up. But later on, I said, yeah, I have to do this. Okay, I have to do this. And then finally, I got removed. The way I do is, right, use the rubber band. Okay, find some rubber band. Okay, like this. Okay, I have thick one. You may have more. Anyway, the rubber band. Okay, tie out here. Here is like whatever the thing like this, right? And then you tie. Okay, make it smaller. Okay, like this. You see, the opening gets smaller. And then if you let bulb up there somewhere, you can push it in, see? And then you twist it, right? Right, see? Then you can get it removed, okay? You can put like a 1 rubber band or 2 rubber band, depending on you. Try to get it removed. Another thing you may have to try after if it still does not work, okay, you have to adjust this thing, okay? This is rubber, okay, make this one sticky, okay? There's frictions. When light bulb touch here, okay, not this part, black part. Black part is plastic, it's slippery. Okay, this yellow pad has to touch the light bulb, and then you can twist it. All right, so make sure. All right, so if it still does not really work, okay, after you put rubber band, you have to adjust the position of this yellow thing. Okay, just give it a try. Okay, give it a try, see how it goes. All right, this one really works. Okay, if you have same problem, okay, for this type of small light bulb, this is the solution.